Hello everyone, welcome back to Master Hangeul. Today we will learn the final step of reading Hangul. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand what batchim is, write syllables with final consonants, and recognize the basic batchim sounds. A Korean syllable block can have three parts. First, the initial consonant, second, the vowel, and third, the final consonants. The final consonant is also called batchim in Korean. The final consonant is optional, so some syllables have batchim and some do not. Now let's do a quick quiz together. Look at each syllable carefully. Does it have a final consonant? If yes, what is the batchim? Pause the video for a moment and try it yourself. Now let's check the answers. All of the syllables have batchim except number 3 and 6. If this feels confusing, please review Unit 6 on compound vowels first. Now let's learn how to write syllables with batchim. When a syllable uses a vertical vowels like I, A, O, or E, write the vowels to the right of the consonant. Then place the batchim at the bottom. Look at the example. First, write the consonant 기역, next the vowel 이, finally the batchim 니은. Now let's look at horizontal vowels. With horizontal vowels like 으, 오, 우, 유, 요, the vowel goes below the consonant. Then the batchim goes at the bottom. Look at the example. First, write the consonant 디귿, next the vowel 으, finally the batchim 리을. Now let's look at the compound vowels. Some compound vowels like 와, 워, 왜, 의 use both vertical and horizontal shapes, so they naturally take more space inside the syllable block. Look at the example. First, write the consonant 이응, next the vowel 와, finally the batchim 기역. The vowel 와 fills the right and lower area, and the batchim stays at the bottom. Now it's your turn. Try combining different consonants, vowels, and batchim. Practice making your own syllable blocks. You can also try the exercises in your textbook for more practice. Now let's learn batchim sound. Almost all consonants can appear at batchim, but there are a few exceptions. 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, and 쌍지읒 are not used as a final consonant. Here is the most important part. Even though many consonants can appear at batchim, there are only 7 representative batchim sounds. Many different consonants change into one of these sounds in the final position. Now let's look at the example. The word 앞 is written with 피읍, but when 피읍 is used as batchim, it changes to the representative sound 피읍. So it is pronounced like 앞, not 앞. Today we learned what batchim is and how batchim sounds work. Next time we will learn how to read words with batchim. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.